So many of you are trying to locate one of these guys, either Lysol or Clorox wipes, and it's impossible to find thanks to COVID-19. So today we're making our own version of it. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. There will be two options available for you, depends on the ingredients you have at home. So for the option number one, we're gonna need a paper towel. Make sure you use a brand name so it will be nice and thick and sturdy. Any container you can find from dollar store, any grocery stores. Rubbing alcohol, make sure it is more than 65%. I'm using 99% in this case. Any dish soap, preferably antibacterial. And we need 12 ounces of plain water.
So first things first, we have to cut our paper towel in half. Try to use the sharpest knife as you can and the biggest one. Once the cutting is done, place your paper towel in a container. Any container will work. I found mine at the dollar store. Next, put a couple of squirts of dishwashing soap, mix it a bit, and also add half a cup of rubbing alcohol. Please make sure it is more than 65%. Once everything is mixed, pour gently onto the paper towel as slow as possible so it would get absorbed nicely. Once all the water is there and the brown cardboard is all wet, it's very easy to pull out. Once it's done, please close the container nice and tight so alcohol does not evaporate. For the option 2, we will need a container and half of the roll that we already pre-cut. Also, we will need any all-purpose cleaner. Make sure it says antibacterial 99.9%. You can use any of them. I could not find any Clorox or Lysol, just Vim, which works perfect. And you pour gently on top of the paper towel to saturate it with the liquid. Once it's all done and the cardboard from the middle is saturated with the liquid, it's very easy to be removed, and make sure it's nice and tightly sealed. You can also stick any sticker saying what it is.
And there you have it. It's the same way as using your wet naps, which comes out of the middle. This one is exactly the same and is nice and simple. You take one, make sure it's nicely sealed at all times, otherwise the alcohol and other stuff will evaporate. And you can simply sanitize your phones, the kids' iPads, door handles, the counter, everything throughout the whole day that you use. It will sanitize and clean and kill everything possible on the surface. Please share this video with everyone and make sure you stay safe. Goodbye.